Alright, you guys, look, just take a look and admire all this Easter stuff that they have here in 99-cent store. So I'm going to show you guys everything. All of these Easters, fillables. Here's another one with glitter. This is like the big jumbo one where you can, you know, like add money into it. Or like add like different surprises inside of it. Or they have this one right here. This says Happy Easter. I think this one is nicer. And they also have it in a different color. In pink. Look. And this one right here has an Easter surprise inside for $1.49. There's a toy inside. So if you guys don't want to, you know, buy that one, you can get this one right here. You know, hand them out. Or they have these plastical ones. This is just an empty one that you can just fill in and do it on your own. Let's take a look at this sign. So what's this? Hunt. Happy Hunt. And there's a couple more eggs in here. I think these are nice. Take a look at this. I've decided that I'm going to go ahead and take another box of this just because I feel like this is going to be fun for all the kids. I don't know still if I'm going to be planning on doing something at my house, but I'm going to go ahead and take at least 2 of these. Look at this sign decor. These are only 99 cents. And this one is in pink. And this one right here is like in lavender color, which is really pretty. And then over here they have a couple more things that you guys can buy. Like here's more plates. Paper. Okay. Alright guys, so here are the jumbo plastic eggs. Fillable eggs. And this is a transparent one. You can also use this one to decorate however you want. Or they also have these ones right here. Or that one with the design in it. Here's another one. This is a bubble playset. And this is 99 cents only. If they even have this, you can decorate this. It's a hanging decor egg. This is how they look. Let's take a look at this little plant. Here's a table decor plant. Look at how it looks. So pretty. And here's another one. This is how it looks. And these are only $1.99. over here they have the small craft gift bags. These are 3 bags for $1. There's a couple in there. And then there's more to see. You know what? I probably missed this part. Here's more baskets. Look, they even have the dress with the headband, and this one also lights up. I don't know if I could actually turn it on. I don't know if you guys can even hear me with the music, but this is how it looks. Gosh. Así es como se miran. Look. And this is only $3.99. So you can definitely change the lights. You can dim them in 3 different ways. So that's one option. The second option, and then that is the third option. So that's how you can dim the lights, and that's how it is for only $3.99. And I just think this is really affordable, especially for the girls, you know, that they like dressing with their tutus. I think that is incredible, and for a cheaper price. And then they also have these cute little baskets, and these are $1.49. Or they have this one right here. It's more like a handbag. And then they have a couple more up here. And look at how pretty they are. And these are only $2.99. This is a unicorn basket. The lashes are falling. The lashes are falling. Whose lashes aren't falling? Anyways, and it's got the horn here in gold. And look at these ones right here. These are $1.49 for these big baskets. Or they have this one right here that looks like a carrot for $1.49. And look, I've just noticed they even have the paper bunny door decoration. And this is $1. These are so cute. Here's the other one. Or this one right here. Look, I even found some yardsticks. Like this one. Anyways, guys, now that the music has stopped for a while, I do want to talk really quick. So they also have the Easter grass in here in different colors, and these don't even look that cheap, you know. I just feel like 99-cent store when it comes to like Easter and all that stuff, and for Thanksgiving they sell more stuff in here than they do in other stores. I know Walmart carries a lot of Easter stuff right now, but when it comes to prices, I prefer shopping in here and get all my stuff before they even sell out. So that's one of my highly recommendations that I would like to give for you guys, because I love shopping and I like going into different places just to see and compare the prices. But when it comes to Easter, this is where I like to get all my stuff, especially if you're planning to do something at your house and do something entertaining with your kids, or just enjoy and spare some time with your family. This is a place to come in and do all your shopping for Easter and Thanksgiving. But when it comes to like Christmas stuff and all that stuff, I do it on Big Lots or either on Walmart. And with the other stuff, I just rather go into Target and just, you know, get some stuff depending on what they have. And if I like it, I'll just buy it. If not, then I'll just come here and then just start, you know, picking stuff and doing my selections of what I want to get. But they also have some candy in here, like this big jelly and mallow cabo. Look at how nice that is. It's got like 4 different candy in here. Look, I have this one right here, the little cute chicken, the chick. There's another egg with the bunny. So I feel like I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. And they have another one. Look, these are so pretty. These are only $1, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it, even though Easter is not until like April. But you know, I'm not gonna wait for that long when it comes to candy. I'll probably just eat it later on. But they have a lot of candy. They even have some florals, decors with the egg in it. Here's some lollipops. Anyways, guys, so I feel like this is gonna be it for today's video. This is everything that they have for Easter. I hope that you guys enjoy a little sneak peek from my local store. And as always, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel, you guys. I really would love for all of you guys to subscribe to my channel and support it. I will appreciate it so much. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys really soon for our next video. Bye, guys.